So a customer dropped this LT250R two-stroker off to me a few days ago. He was having a problem where the throttle, so you give it, it was about half throttle before it would catch. And the cable, I do believe, came out of a twist throttle. It was just too much cable there. And then the spring in his throttle, I don't know if this is broken, but it didn't have any return. So it was basically you push it in and it was like full bore wide open. So I just found a universal throttle off Amazon and I went ahead and put that up there for him. I mean, I'm not a two-stroke guy, but this thing definitely could use some work. Turn around here, see if these are choke or not. I did a little bit ago, but that was when she was cold. So let's see if this goes up for me. Runs. I will let him know, and that was a pretty easy fix, but I'm not going to venture into it. Like I said, I'm going to grab a flashlight and we'll go ahead and lift this thing up and I'll show you what's going on with this thing. I mean, you can see the coolant that's leaking out of there. We got a bunch of oil leaking out down there. A gasket, I guarantee you, was just put on there because I can see the spray gasket on there. Yeah, I mean, you can see how much coolant has been leaking. I don't know if this bolt here, let's see if I can get this light up here. This bolt here on the exhaust, I don't know if that's stripped out. This one looks like it's stripped out. It does not have a case saver. And if you go underneath, it definitely looks like it's leaking pretty good. So, this is why I don't want to venture into this thing, you know. This thing needs some help. I don't even know what that's oil. I don't even know what it is. Feels like oil. But, I don't know. I just, you know, sometimes you just got to say no and do what he just wants done. And that was to fix the throttle. I took care of that issue. So I will go ahead and let him come get this and I will make him aware of everything. He just bought this for his kid. I do believe he said he paid like right around $2 grand. I guess they were asking $2,500. And, you know, he's very leery about, you know, the oil because there's no dipstick. It's you put the quart of oil in and call it good. So, I mean, I definitely don't want to venture into this because of the condition of it. I mean, like I said, I'm not a two-stroke person. I just think they're kind of silly. But, you know, I mean, I mean, I can see wet coolant coming out all around the top there. So, I mean, it's got a cool head, but, you know, I don't think cool head means the coolant leaks out and cools the head. So, like I said, I am just going to send this back to him, and he can do what he wants with it. I guess this frame was all pink at one point. I can see it was hot pink. fluorescent pink. So, and also the other complaint he had was, if you look at the wheel, so this wheel is pretty much straight. And then if you look at this wheel, this is at an angle. So this is leaning toward the top of the tire is leaning out. You know, if I loosen this bolt here and I tap this out, it goes straight. So I don't know if there's something bent. I don't know if the frame's bent. Something's bent somewhere, but I'm not going to take the time to look for it because I'd have to tear this whole thing down, take measurements, lay it on the ground, see what's bent, see what's not bent. You know, it's one of those bikes that I'm just gonna do what I need to do, what he wanted me to do, and I'm gonna send it back out. Coolant cap, radiator cap, you know, that doesn't go all the way around. It should just be right there, but it's an aftermarket Tusk, I think, and then the overflow is what's keeping it from spinning all the way around. So anyway, I will let him know. I fired this thing up. I got it running. Wife was sitting out here. Scared the crap out of her. She's not used to the 2 strokes. So it was pretty funny. She's like, I'm going inside. And she left. But like I said, I will get with this guy and give him a call. Was dropped off another kid's bike. I'm not sure what year this is. I want to say a 13, he said. And it says it doesn't run. It won't stay running. I don't know. I'll have to look into it. But I told him like a few $100 to fix this. And that'll be the next project. So let me give this guy a call, get him back here to get this thing so I can get this other bike rolling. So a customer dropped this LTZ 90 off to me. He said he was having a hard time keeping it running, getting it running, something in those lines. But I presumed it was just a carburetor issue. And he had said something about taking it to a mechanic or doing it himself, like adjusting the valves or something. So I looked at the valve cover bolts and someone had definitely been in there. So I tore it apart and found that it was off. So the 2 lines that are right, let's see them here. Turn this here. So this line and this line are supposed to be perpendicular with the head. Well, it's at top dead center. So I put it at top dead center and these were way off. So took the tensioner out, took the gear out, put it at top dead center, put it the way it should be, and then readjusted the valves, and now it is running, kind of. So we will clean the carb, and we should be able to button this one back up, depending on how bad the carb is. I got it running. Whoever was in the top end, the timing was way off. So I corrected that, adjusted the valves. Carb probably needs to be rebuilt, replaced, but you are burning off some oil there. So I don't know if the rings are just stuck. I'll let it run for a while, see if I can get that to clear up, but that may also be due to the fact that someone put 2-stroke oil in there, the gas. So I'll let it run for a little bit, see if it clears out. So the owner's gonna come get this bike. He didn't want to spend the money. I told him it'd be like another $200 to tear it down and another $500 to do all the work if everything checked out. So I mean, he was looking at $700 to do it. So I charge $80 for diagnostic fees, and I mean, I had to set the timing, compression test it. Compression was low, it was at 120. Spec is like 213 to 185 at the lowest. So he doesn't want to spend any more money on this. So he's gonna come get it, pay me the $80, and my guess is he'll just part it out or sell it as is.